Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the top 6 AutoCAD commands that start with the letter B. Some of these are very common, others are a bit underrated, but all of them can definitely make your drafting faster and easier. Let's get started. The first one is block. Type B on your keyboard and the block dialog will open. Here you can give your block a name, set a base point, and select the objects you want to include. Blocks are super useful if you have repetitive elements like furniture, symbols, or doors. Instead of redrawing them again and again, you just insert the block, keeping your drawing consistent and saving a lot of time. Next is boundary. Type BO or BE, click inside a closed area, and AutoCAD will automatically generate either a polyline or a region. This is perfect for creating room outlines or calculating areas quickly. The difference with a normal polyline is that with boundary, you don't have to trace manually. AutoCAD finds the closed area for you instantly. The third command is break. Type BR, select an object, then specify 2 points. AutoCAD will remove the segment between those points. This is great for creating openings or cutting lines cleanly without having to trim multiple times. Next, we have break at point. This one doesn't have a default shortcut, so you just type break at point in full. Select your object, then click a point. The object is now split into 2 segments at that exact spot. It doesn't remove anything, it just divides the line. Very useful when you need more control over your objects or want to separate them for editing. Number 5 is hatch, shortcut BH. Use this to fill a closed area with patterns, gradients, or solid fills. For example, you can hatch walls with a solid fill, or apply cross-hatching in a section drawing. It makes your drawings clearer and much easier to read. And finally, we have burst. This command is like explode, but smarter. When you burst a block with attributes, the attributes are converted to regular text instead of disappearing. This is especially handy if you receive drawings with blocks that contain attribute data. Burst lets you explode them while keeping the information visible. So there you have it. My top 6 AutoCAD commands, starting with B: block, boundary, break, break at point, hatch, and burst. Mastering these will definitely improve your productivity in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. See you in the next one.